Here is a list of ingredients for making 16 flapjacks. So we can see we've got 120 grams of butter, 140 grams of brown sugar, 250 grams of oats, and 2 tablespoons of syrup. Jenny actually wants to make 24 flapjacks, so work out how much of each ingredient we're going to need. So we're going to start by working out what multiple do we need to increase these by. So what is the ratio that we're using to increase? In order to do that, we're going to do 24 over 16. So I'm going to simplify that down. So 24 out of 16 is going to give me, if I divide them both by 2, it's 12 over 8. Divide that both by 4, which gives me 3 over 2. Now I know 3 over 2 is 1.5. So I know that I need to multiply every single one of my ingredients by 1.5. So 120 multiplied by 1.5, 140 by 1.5, 250 by the same 1.5, and 2 by, you guessed it, 1.5. So when I multiply something by 1.5, I work out what is half of it and add it on. So if I start with 2, so that's a nice one, half of 2 is 1. So adding that on, 2 plus 1 is 3. So I'm going to go back to the top. If I've got 120, half of that is 60. 120 plus 60 is 180. 140, halved is 70. So 140 plus 70 grams would give me 210. And then 250, half of 250 would give me 125. So 125 plus 250 would give me 375. So what do we need to make 24 flapjacks? We need 180 grams of butter, 210 grams of brown sugar, 375 grams of oats, and 3 tablespoons of syrup.